Alright, the point of this video is to perform an automation based upon a survey answer. So in our last video we made a survey called My First Survey. So to get to the survey builder real quick, you hit Sites on the left side, you go to Survey, you go to your builder. It's already assumed that you're with me this far. What I've done here is I've added an additional field here called Are You a Current Customer? Answers for that are yes and no. And then are you ready to get started right away? That's yes or no too. So now that we've got a survey here, what we want to do is we want to automate what would happen if somebody filled it out. So let's click Automation on the left side. That's going to bring us to our workflows. Let's click Create a New Workflow. Let's click Start from Scratch here and then hit Create New Workflow. Maybe hit it twice. So what we're going to do to trigger automation from this, it's always helpful to maybe save this as well. So automation caused by survey completed. And you could always name the survey or something. So let's go to here. You click on the Add New Workflow trigger. We're going to come down real quick and we're going to select the action called Survey Submitted. And it's always nice to name what you're doing here. So the survey submitted to, we're going to select survey is My First Survey. So I always like to kind of help myself out here and just kind of label the fields. That way after you've built a lot of this out, it's going to make sense. And we're going to hit save. So that's what's going to trigger the automation. And it's going to enter into this workflow sequence. So really what we want to do here is probably drop an if action in here. So if, and then we're going to go contact details, and we're going to slide down this list, and should take us, here we go. So these are the custom variables that we've made. So I'll do that again real quick. I'm going to hit select, and then we're going to go contact details. Here, I'll just cancel out of here. I'm already confusing myself. So let's go back. Let's build an if. The condition is going to be contact details. We're going to scroll down to our custom fields. Are you a current customer? And then we're going to call this includes yes. Save. So condition equals current customer. So is current customer. That might be a better. So if the current customer is yes. So this is odd. It's not going to look at this. So kind of watch what's happening here. So it's going to say includes. So this is going to be our outcome right here. So the yes is going to be if they were a yes. And if no, that's basically anything else but yes at this point. So if they are a current customer, now we might want to shoot them a text message that says custom name, contact, first name, welcome back. So the text message could be current customer, welcome back text. Now this, we know over here is not a current customer over here. So now we say, alright, thanks for applying to join, thanks for applying, or thanks for whatever the action is going to be. Basically, we know he's not a new customer. So let's say that we wanted to put this, so we could put these in different pipelines now. We could totally take a different course of automation just based upon what's happening right here. Tons of different flow that we could kind of come up with here. Something we could do would be, if it's a current customer, maybe we wouldn't take as much of a course of action. If it's not a current customer, maybe we want to send a text message to the sales team. So this is where we would use the send internal notification. I think I probably just scrolled past it. I think there's probably a better way. Sean would be mad at me. There we go. Send internal notification. There we go. SMS. User type. Notice we can assign this to any user. We could put a custom number. In this case, we're going to want to go custom number. So we're going to want to put the number in of, say, the person that works on our team. And we're going to say, new customer alert. And what we could do is let's just pass the data, full name, contact, phone, email. So let's just make this a lead that we're delivering to them. Boom. And we could have named that action. You'll notice I didn't name the action. So we could always make this alert sales rep equals Bob. Again, that doesn't do anything. That's just a notification to us. SMS right here. Thank customer. So you can see it's kind of slowly coming together here. Something we could have also done is we could also make another second decision tree based upon that second question that we asked. So if contact details, remember we asked, are you ready to get started right away? So this might have been helpful to actually do up here. So once we figured out, are they a current customer? If they're already a current customer, maybe this applies. Now over here, no. Let's build another tree right into here and see what happens. So if contact details, ready to get started right away, includes yes, boom. So then it'll proceed down here. So if they said they weren't ready to get started, now we've got a whole other course of action over here. So this workflow builder is really fantastic. You can kind of go almost any different direction with it. We could add the lead to a pipeline. We could put them maybe into an email nurture campaign at this point. Again, really could go any direction. So this is how to trigger basic automation from a survey and go high level.